Welcome to the shop. Hope you're having a great day. Alright, we got a few handles to put on and a few mistakes to make. Are you ready? Here we go. Welcome back. So, as you can see, I already got the handles pretty much done. They still need to be handstanded and stuff like that, but yeah, let me know in the comments if you prefer like these fast builds, because I think I got this built in 2 videos. Or do you like it where I, break down each part and have like a 6 or 7 part video series and show how I do everything? Even if I'm doing like 3 or 4 knives, I'll show each part of each build. Or do you just like it watching the knife making? Let me know, because some people like either one, and I'm just curious to know which one people like more. Like the 2-part where I do the whole knife in 2 parts, 1 knife, or 4 or 5 knives in 10 parts, or like the Bowie knife and it's all, me just trying to figure it out. Let me know in the comments. Let's just get right to it. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. My website's up in the cards and the first link down below. I got Amazon links down below too. Alright, let's just get to it. I almost forgot I had to surface grind it. It came out pretty straight, but might as well make sure. Alright, let me get my mask on. Here we go. Whew! 8:30, there we are. It's hot. I mean, I can hold it here because this is cold. I ain't worried about up here. Yeah, 8:30. Let's go get this marked. I almost forgot and marked it, and I was like, oh, yeah. Alright, I'll meet you at the other grinder. If you watch my video on the hollow grinding, I guess I'll put that playlist up here. In that video, I only did 1 line, and I kept going over it and messing. I prefer, it doesn't matter how, even if these 2 lines are touching, for me, it's a lot better, because I know I go to this side of this line, this side of this line, instead of that 1 line. But I see a lot of people doing 1 line, and it works for them. Try and see what works. Every person's different. That's one thing I always try to preach on these videos. When people tell you you have to do it this way, the basics might be true, but man, figure out ways to do it for yourself, because someone probably taught them they had to do it that way, and I don't know. It might work out for you, but I guess it would help if I marked my lines, huh? Full disclosure, I completely biffed that one. Right here, I went, I had to take this way down. I probably took an 1/8 inch off this. But, yeah, I just gotta pay more attention. It's been a long time since I've done a compound grind, and obviously I'm out of practice, but I'm gonna make these 2 lines into 1, but I mean it's gonna be 2 lines touching. I'm just gonna make it thinner and go up to 120. Alright, it probably doesn't look like it, you might not even see it. But there are 2 lines there. It looks like 1, but there's 2. 120. I went 40 to 120, so I'm gonna do 50 is what I got. Like I said, keep it right in the middle. There we go. I'm gonna go bring this down so people on Instagram think I'd made it that way. Another secret between us. I went and cut a 65. Now there's spots on this side that are really big and all that. So I'm just gonna have to, hang it over this one, flip the belt over and hang it over that way, just because I don't want to be cutting anything on this edge, like that. I want it all to be on this edge. That way it'll be more precise. So 65, 45, and a 30, and I think I even got 1,000 in there. $1,000 grit on the hollows. Let's put on the other platen and see where we get from there. Start out A65, A45, A30, and then 1,000. Nice sniff as I'm talking, huh? Sorry about that. Alright, and since I did up to 830 on the surface grinder, let's just hit these flats on this 1000. I'm gonna go hit this on the buffer real quick. Let's try some of the white polish first. So here's something that's really bugging me. Right here, there's a divot in the steel, and it wasn't until I moved the ink. You can see right here, and right here, if I hit it in the light right, it's a divot. Right there. I didn't hit it with a hammer or nothing, so it shouldn't come up. But I think I'm going to dip this anyway to just see how it looks. Alright, let me go degrease this and all that and see what we're working with. So off camera I went ahead and put scales on these. I drilled them and all that and cut them out. If you go on Instagram you can see like the daily progression and stuff. And I forgot to put the hamon on there, or the etching of the hamon. I don't know if that's going to show up, but this side, the back didn't show up as much, and I realized, because this side has the dent, so I went and I did more on that. So you can see here how there's a lot more detail. So it just goes to show, you know, the more you put in, the more you finish it, the more detail is going to come out. You can still see glass in both sides. But, yeah. See how you can see up here the hamon a lot better? You can see it down here. If I can figure out, it's so hard to see in this little camera. But yeah, so this side's finished more so you can see it more. Anyway, I'll show you the footage right now of me hitting this on the disc grinder just to get these flat and get the glue off. And then I'll meet you over at the grinder. It's been a while since I used this disc grinder, or at least on camera. I made these scales. They're, this one right here is two-tone. I didn't make the top one, but I glued a blue. This is solid blue, and this is black and blue, so I glued them together. You know, one for each side. I gotta figure out where the other side is. Oh, here it is. So yeah, I'm just gonna take them down. Make sure all the glue's off both sides. Here we go. Alright, I'm gonna drill these out and all that off camera. Oh man, I got all distracted. I'm waiting for the lady to come bathe Mom and stuff. And oh man, I haven't done this in years. In all my videos, I always preach, mark out your knife scales so you know which side goes which. You can see it goes blue and then the black. And then this one, I did it backwards. Man. Yeah, because this one I did both sides. And I took the black marks off. That's why, man, you watch all my videos, I'll put the whole playlist of how to do knife scales and all that, but I'll put the link for the knife scale playlist up in the cards and down in the description. But I'm always preaching that. You know, take your time. Mark out your scales like that so you know which side goes on which. This one I just happened to do both sides. You can see this one I didn't do the outside. And I was in a rush and I wasn't paying attention and yeah, we're backwards. I got 2 knife scales for this side. Oh man, oh man. Don't listen to my own advice. Guess I'm gonna have to glue another one up. We'll just get the carbon fiber ones done and maybe I'll do a whole video on how to do an anzo pattern. Alright, I got my jacket on, I got pants on, I got a fan blowing, so I probably won't be doing too much talking. Just get on these. I made another handle since I messed up that first one, but yeah, let's do these carbon fiber. Alright, I'm gonna cut this off on the bandsaw. I'm not taking my mask off. I hope you can hear me. Whew, I had to cut in, step back with the air blowing out. This place, look at that, I'm covered. Alright, I'll be back. I had to go upstairs and let this place air out. Man, I got the fan blowing all over the place. But we're just using the same standoffs or pivots, whatever you want to call them, to hold these two together. They don't have to be tight. In fact, you can do one at a time. I just like to keep them together so I can see and make sure everything's the same on both sides. And we want to stay about a 1/16 away from the edge. On this one, I might have to knock this one down when I come that far. Same with these two. And we always want to put screws in these to knock them through. Don't knock them down with a hammer. Let's start on this one. Small wheel attachment. Woo! Yeah. Russ is hand sanding. Woo!
Gotta let this place air out some.
That's about it. I'm gonna have to take a break. I'll come back and I'll do the Anzo pattern because I got this all glued up. The mistake I made. Two sides the same. Woo, man, it's been years since I've done that one. Gotta remember to take my own advice. But yeah, man, that feels good. That's pulled back and then you got the choke up. Yeah, man. Then we'll just have to work on that hamon. Get it all worked out. This one's still bronze from temper. It feels real nice in the hand. That jimping choke up on it. All right, I just finished grinding, so I don't want to stay in here too long, but I figured I had to do the outro. So make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, all that good stuff. I got my website link up in the cards and the first link in the description. Amazon links are down in the description, and on my website I got knives, shirts, all that good stuff. All right, hope you're having a great day, and as always, take it easy.